Everyone talks about success, but almost nobody understands what it actually means. Today, I'm breaking down the truth behind real success, the part that social media never shows you. If you're ready to redefine your life, let's begin.
Need to reinvent success. Just recognize the patterns that are already working and make them your own. From that day forward, I stopped guessing and started studying what truly successful people were doing. This led to my side hustles turning into multi-million-dollar businesses, making me a millionaire, and I owe it all to that simple principle. So you're probably thinking, what side hustles are working for people right now? Well, that's exactly why today I'm going to be sharing 7 real-life examples of young people currently making over $100,000 a year from their side hustles, so you can follow their proven pathways and replicate their success. And yes, I'm bringing back the scrapbook as it's in need of an update. I'm going to be rating each one out of 5 in 3 key areas: how much time it takes to learn, how much money you need, and how difficult it is to make $10,000 per month. Side hustle idea 1 is eBay reselling. This is Kai Towers. His life was going nowhere. His mum died when he was just a kid and he never knew his father. In his late teens, he was working a dead-end job with no obvious way out. But one day, he'd had enough of feeling like a loser and decided to take control of his life. So he started selling stuff on eBay and with his newfound motivation, managed to turn $400 into $317,000 within just 1 year. But isn't eBay dead? It's all about Amazon now, right? Wrong. eBay's latest revenue shows it's not dying, it's growing. I mean, in the second quarter of 2025, they brought in $2.7 billion, which is 6% up year on year. I know this might sound strange, as you probably never really hear about eBay. However, when you understand where this growth is coming from, it all starts to make sense. In the early days, eBay and Amazon were neck and neck, both chasing the same mass market audience. But as Amazon scaled into a retail giant powered by logistics and prime delivery, eBay quietly pivoted. Rather than competing on speed and convenience, it began dominating in the niches. I'm talking about collectibles, vintage items, refurbished tech, trading cards, and hard-to-find products. In these areas, loyal buyers will still choose eBay over Amazon every single time. I know it's a cliche saying, but the riches are in the niches. Kai knows this better than anyone. That's why he was able to make so much money absolutely dominating the gaming accessory niche by selling things like replacement thumbsticks, retro memory cards, and even devices to make you a stronger player. Now for those all-important ratings. Firstly, how much time does eBay reselling take to learn? I'll give this a 1 out of 5, as all you need to do is pick one of the niches I mentioned earlier and dedicate a month of your time to learning how the platform operates. That brings us on to how much money do you need? I'll give this a 1 out of 5 again, as right now, without even knowing it, you're probably sat on a gold mine. And before you say I'm crazy, let me explain. To be successful on eBay, you need to have stock to sell. But before ordering a load of products from a supplier, a useful strategy that most people overlook is warming their eBay account up by selling unused items from around their house. This has so many benefits, such as allowing you to learn the eBay ropes risk-free, warming up your account with some sales history and positive feedback, and making you some fast money that you can then use to reinvest into better stock. So how easy is it to make $10,000 per month? I'll give this a 2.5 out of 5. As Kai demonstrated, it's completely possible to start by selling unused items from around your house, then use that money as a starting fund to scale up to making over 6 figures. Does that mean it's going to be super easy? Of course not. You'll need to stay on top of your listings, constantly updating them and making sure your prices stay competitive. If at any point you want to give one of these side hustles a try, then I actually got all the people I'm mentioning today to record a video series explaining the exact steps they took to start and scale their side hustles to making over $10,000 a month. And right now, you can access all of them for free. I got them all filmed professionally and made sure they included their exact blueprint, which means each series contains over 3 hours of pure value. I'll drop a link in the description below where for a limited time you can watch them all for free, as well as receive mentoring from me. Side hustle idea 2 is brand deal flipping. This is Suhit Amin. At just 16 years old, he was diagnosed with cancer. But instead of letting his illness stop him, he used the hours he spent in hospital beds to start brand deal flipping. This is essentially when you connect an influencer and a brand and take a cut for yourself. It's what's known as a middleman side hustle. He didn't have any connections when he started. However, now, just 6.5 years later, he generates over $4 million per year, working with the big brands like Ubisoft, Netflix, and Acer. He also works with some of the biggest influencers and public figures like the Sidemen, Logan Paul, Stephen Bartlett, RD, and even Mark Tilbury. The crazy thing about all of this is the opportunity is only growing. When Suhit first started, he had to convince big brands that online creators were worth spending money on. He was fighting an uphill battle because nobody really respected influencers. However, now the landscape has completely changed. In May 2025, the New York Times announced that for the first time, Americans watch more streaming content than cable and broadcast TV combined. And guess what the top streaming platform was? Netflix? Amazon Prime? Maybe Disney? No, it was actually YouTube, with a whopping 12.5% of TV viewership, with its closest rival being Netflix at 7.5%. That's why brands are throwing more money than ever at online creators. And if you can be the middleman that negotiates the deals, then you can take a big slice of the profits. But why wouldn't influencers just get the brand deals themselves? Well, I want you to think about the biggest companies in the world. Airbnb doesn't own a single property. Uber doesn't own any cars. Amazon started by just connecting buyers and sellers, and DoorDash helps you order food. They're all middleman businesses, just like brand deal flipping, and they work so well because of convenience. It's really convenient for an influencer to work with someone like you who can handle the deal. So all they have to do is focus on creating great content. Let's get to the ratings. Firstly, how much time does brand deal flipping take to learn? I'm going to give this a 2 out of 5. As a brand deal flipper, your main job is to bridge two worlds: the creators, who are usually younger, and the people running the big brands, who are typically older. The real value lies in managing both sides of that relationship. As long as you understand YouTube, you've already done half the work. If you then take the time to understand how brands operate, you're onto a winner. Secondly, how much money do you need? I'm going to give this a 0 out of 5. Because as Suhit proved, all you need is a laptop and a bit of time to invest into building your connections. He started out by following creators on Instagram and then finding related creators using the suggested feature. He spent hours following this process and reaching out to people, and within his first 6 months made $30,000 in profit. Thirdly, how easy is it to make $10,000 per month? This gets a 2 out of 5. The hardest part is convincing people to work with you. Once you do this, earning $10,000 a month is more than achievable. Think about it this way. Let's say you find one brand who books just 5 influencers through you each month. Each influencer has an average deal value of $7,000, and your margin is 30%. From one brand alone and just 5 influencer partnerships, you have an agency doing $400,000 a year in revenue and netting around $10,000 per month in profit. And these are not unrealistic numbers at all. These are completely possible in the influencer economy that we live in today. Side hustle idea 3 is video editing. This is Tom the Trass. Just a few years ago, he was sitting in his uni bedroom staring at the student debt he was racking up, thinking there has to be a better way to make money. He had no idea where to start, so he grabbed the closest thing to him, his laptop, and decided to learn video editing. That single decision led him to learn a skill far more valuable than his degree. Before he knew it, he'd made his first $100,000 in yearly profit, working with some of the biggest companies and creators on the planet and editing influencer collaborations for brands like Coca-Cola, Nintendo, and Gymshark. He also escaped his small uni room and gained the freedom to travel the world and work from anywhere. There's no reason you can't do this too, as the demand for skilled editors is only growing. In fact, video now makes up 82.5% of all global internet traffic. This means companies need to create video content, otherwise they're invisible. As we speak, they're urgently looking for people who can take their message and turn it into something people actually want to watch. Once you become good, you'll be able to charge a lot, as you'll be directly increasing the company's revenue. But won't video editors just be replaced by AI? Good question. And here's the truth. Yes, AI can cut clips and sync to a beat, but there are 2 main reasons why it will never replace real editors. First, emotion. It can't feel tension, build anticipation, or spot the moment that gives you goosebumps. Second, AI can't innovate. It can only imitate. It studies what's already been done and then copies those patterns. Real editors do the opposite. They don't copy, they create. So yes, AI will be a tool editors use a lot. However, it won't be a suitable replacement. So let's have a look at my ratings. First, how much time does video editing take to learn? I'd give this one a 3 out of 5. Look, video editing isn't something you master overnight, but it's also not something that takes years to learn. Tom mentions in the Wealth Portal that beginners make the big mistake of focusing too much on fancy transitions and crazy effects. But in reality, this isn't what most clients are looking for. His advice is to master the basics first, like how to cut, pace, and add music. Then practice putting together a story. If you can make a viewer feel something or keep them watching until the end, you've already cracked 80% of what makes an editor valuable. Next, how much money do you need? This is definitely a 1 out of 5. Video editing is one of those that let you begin with $1 or £1. Lastly, how easy is it to make $10,000 per month? I'm going to say 4 out of 5. Because it can take many years to achieve this. However, when you do, it's truly passive income as it doesn't require any extra work. If you want to learn how to invest for beginners, then I'm going to leave that video right up there. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth, okay? I'll see you over there.
Most people think money comes only from a job, but that's not how wealth is built. What this billionaire is really saying is that money follows value. The difference between broke people and rich people isn't luck. It's knowledge, leverage, and experience. If you want to build a $10,000 per month side hustle, don't chase quick money. Build a skill, solve a problem, and create something that people actually need. Start small, learn, fail fast, improve, and scale. Focus on income first, then experience, then leverage. And remember, consistency beats motivation every day. The question isn't, can you make $10,000? The real question is, are you willing to learn, sacrifice, and take action? Because money doesn't change your life, your decisions do. Tu peux aussi ajouter une phrase de lien. Let me know in the comments what side hustle you want to start.